Here's a new challenge for you. Let's see how well you can multiply numbers ending with 0.
Sounds exciting. Can't wait.
Introduction. Numbers ending with 0. Multiply 35 times 10. When numbers are ending in zeros, we multiply rest of the numbers and then place zeros to the answer. Here we multiply 35 times 1. That is 35. Then place this 0 to the end. So the answer is 350. Multiply 40 times 20. We multiply 4 times 2. That is 8. Then place these two zeros. One 0 from here and the other 0 from here to the end of the answer. So the answer is 800. Multiply 300 times 40. We multiply 3 times 4. That is 12. Then place these 3 zeros. 2 zeros from here and 1 0 from here to the end of the answer. So the answer is 12,000.
That wasn't hard at all. But then I am super smart.
That you are, undoubtedly.